Good morning, friends. Today we're going to present to you a boat that not everyone has seen. This is a custom built, custom painted, all-American animal twin cat in all its glory. Just take a look at this thing. Really beautiful. This paint job is incredible. It's unmatched, yet everything inside this boat matches perfectly. This is a masterpiece that I built, and now it is up for sale. Join me as I show you exactly what the buyer will be getting. Hi there, I'm Bill Oxidean. I raced radio control model boats for over 25 years. Over that time, I won a lot of races and broke a lot of records, and I learned a lot, not just about boats, but about life. Eventually, I graduated to full-size drag boats, and I've had a great time doing that. Now, I have my own RC boat factory. We make the world's fastest, most reliable radio control boats. Join us as we show you all about it. Now, what we've got here as a specimen to start with is the last edition of the Animal 2. It's not the Animal 2E, which is the 8S version. It's the Animal 2. And this is the very first boat we did 100 miles an hour on 6S with. This boat is responsible for starting a craze that's completely rocked RC boating. The speed run challenges. Before the Animal 2, or actually before the Animal 1, no ready-to-run boat had ever exceeded 100 miles an hour. Our friend Todd Sartero came and bought one, put it to work, and he lived up to the challenge. Let's give you guys some close-up on this paint. Look at that carbon fiber peeking through. The shine on this RC boat is like nothing I've ever seen on any RC boat. I mean, you can see the shadow on the American flag, the fades and the blends, razor sharp, dreamy smooth, lots of metal flake. Our painter is second to none. The white isn't just a white, it's a pearl white. A very beautiful metallic pearl. Very deep, very rich. Let's see if we can get close up on that pearl metallic. These pictures just don't do it justice. This video just does not. There we go. There's some pearl. Listen. Check how rich that pearl is. And that's throughout the entire boat. Check out the pearlescent and metallic qualities of this blue. Yeah, that's the focus I wanted. Beautiful blue. Look how that clear looks over the carbon fiber. Truly breathtaking and truly stunning. Look at this windshield. There's even faded in reflections. Airbrushed in, look at that. Reflections airbrushed in. Look how the background shines so hard off of it. Even painted inside of here. This boat was originally made for the owner of a luxury yacht brokerage. They sell luxury yachts, dune buggies, offshore powerboats, anything eccentric. He came in a situation where he didn't have water to run it. So we said we'd acquire this thing back because it's so beautiful. Look at those tips. Flawless. Not a chip, not a scratch. It's painted down into the bottom. Now check out these sides. Check out this side profile. Absolutely breathtaking. Absolutely stunning. The red, the white, the blue. The proud and the true. The back end is all business with a little bit of flair. We went with our 4519 CNC props, our M5 bullets, and those will give them a really great time on the water. Super reliable, great handling. These props are on there for a guy who's not so much trying to speed run this really beautiful boat and crash it around, but you can get to 80 miles an hour quite safely and wreck and not mess up the paint job and just have a really fun time out there. We accented it with red hardware, red water outlets that look like exhaust pipes, red rudder black bracket, black boots. We can add blue boots if someone so desires. And of course, voila, show me your boat hole. Hot damn, this is one of the prettiest boats I've ever done on the inside. I mean, this thing looks gorgeous. Coordinated zip ties. We've got our Hobbywing 2200 kV motors, 4082, 180 ESCs, OPS 01L digital CNC, high speed, high torque servo. This boat is raring to go. Sliding battery trays, double thick hull. Look how I coordinated the red, white, and blue water tubing. You even got light and dark blue, just like how the outside of the boat is. This boat is completely matching, completely ready to go. There's a receiver right in there. It comes with the TX01D. The rudder is in here and ready to go. We can foam this boat for you. We can do a lot of different options to suit your needs, but this boat is for sale. This boat is undoubtedly a beautiful piece of work. This all-American theme is incredible. I love the way these lines come together. I love the way these fades and pearls come together. That windshield looks like an eyeball. It's so shiny and wet. This whole boat looks wet. If you're interested in this boat, inquire within. Send us an email. Give us a call. The boat we presented yesterday sold quick. It was gone. That beast took off. But keep in mind, we can build you a beast just like that. We have everything to do it, and it doesn't take long at all. Everything is in stock. Subscribe to our channel. Smash like button. And by all means, continue enjoying radio control model boating. Bill Oxidean in this animal for sale. Over and out.